Hey, what's up? Sleek Car Tim here. Just checking out my little yard buddy here, down here in Florida. And they got strange animals down here, let me tell you. This one makes the strangest noise. I don't know if he's gonna say anything to us, but anyways, he'll probably run away because I'm gonna go down the stairs here. Yeah. See? Check it out. I'm not sure what kind of bird he is, but I know that they always mate in pairs for life. I don't know where his buddy is, but that's him anyway. Here's some yard footage for you. The guy that owns the house, he likes to do some gardening and stuff, and there's some leftover poinsettias from the holidays and some other things that he has in the yard here. There's some cacti. I don't know, let's see if we can work our way around this flagpole. I just wanted to show you something kind of cool. I don't know how well you can see it, but he's got a gay rainbow flag and a nice patriotic flag flying high in the breeze. The guy who owns the house is he was in the military in Vietnam. Gay soldier. I think this tree is pretty cool. They got pretty odd looking trees down here. There's another cool tree. I really like this one. I wish this one was in our yard. Pretty cool, huh? Now, over here, we have the car that my roommate decided to roll while I was in it the other day. That was not much fun. I'm sure you can probably see it's pretty well hammered from the experience. Yeah, we rolled it over on this road. I don't know if you can see that too well, but there's a dirt road that we live on. We live in the middle of nowhere. The interesting thing about this is the day before I was supposed to go on a little trip for about a half an hour each way, and I heard a voice in my head say, "Don't go, accident." A young guy's voice in my head out of nowhere. But I went anyway because I really had to do something over there. I drove really carefully, slow and everything. And then the next day, this happened. I think my guardian angel has a little work to do on his timing. Anyways, That was my experience. Be careful out there, folks. Sleek Car Tim signing out.